Having clients tap into the creativity of large language models is fun until it's not. Take this case as an example. A user is preparing for an AI lecture and wants to use this app to do some research and get a summary of the evolution of AI. They send this request from the app, and if you scroll down here, you see that this single call consumed a total of 777 tokens. I will have other client applications and users relying on the same OpenAI backend, and at this rate of consumption, my quota will be depleted really fast. The last thing I want is for a single user or a single application to use up all the available shared quota, and I need help preventing this from happening. Instead of spending too much time reading documentations, reading articles, and watching videos, I'll turn to GitHub Copilot for Azure to help me by opening Copilot on VS Code and invoking it using @Azure. I will describe my issue in natural language and say that some users of my app are consuming too many tokens, and this will affect tokens left for my other services. I would think to limit the number of tokens a user can consume, but since I don't know how and if this is possible, I'll add that to my prompt. @Azure pulls the relevant ideas along with some Azure services that I need, and I can ask some follow-up questions like what happens if a user exceeds their token limit to learn more. I see here that their requests will be blocked and they'll get a too many requests warning, which is exactly what I need. However, I am not sure how to implement this, so I'll just ask for help requesting for an example on how to enforce the Azure OpenAI token limit policy. Perfect. I have an example, and as you can see, @Azure referenced the docs on Learn to generate this response. I have a policy document as part of my project, and since I'm not very well conversant with the product, I'll open it and continue using Copilot to help with the implementation. GitHub Copilot chat cannot directly update my code, so I'll grab the example policy provided, switch over to Copilot Edits, and ask it to help me implement the policy along with my custom instructions in natural language. Edits will go through the file and make the necessary changes, which I'll review, and if I'm happy, accept. I will redeploy my application. I'm using AZD in this example. Then I'll restart my application and API to test. Back on the lecture, let's ask for some public speaking tips. The total tokens for this request hit the 300 limit, but if the user sends another prompt, I now expect the request to be terminated and a warning displayed that the allocated limit is exceeded along with instructions on what to do next. This is one way of effectively managing tokens, but I can continue using @Azure to research on more policies that I can use. @Azure can help in so many ways, so download and install the extension today to try it out yourself. If you have any scenarios you'd like to see us cover, drop that in the comments and I'll feature them. See you on the next one.